Hello and welcome to the Real-Time Forex Trader. We're here trading Euro Dollar in London. This is the IG platform. We've just put a short on here. We just closed our shorts out from earlier. We're just looking to see if this can come down. Now it's below the trend line and test the 10550 level again. We've got one short on at 54. We're below the trend line here, below it here, below it there at the time, but it's just lifting. We should put a take profit on at 48 in case it spikes through the 50 level. It's possible, a little optimistic, but possible. But it's pulling away from us. Now then, is it going to start going above the trend line and pulling up? So if we can get some shorts on at 60, we're getting close, 59, we'll get one on there. Get one on there. Right, so what are our shorts on at? And we'll put this, let's get the... Right. Let's get the take profits on. We want that to fill if it's about here. So that needs to be a couple higher. Yeah. Let's give it a bit more chance. Right, we're pulling up away from this. I might have to get one on there. 10555.3. Right, let's see where this is going. Let's see if we can't have a quick scalp out of this. The market has risen off the bottom. It's grinding against us now. So this is going to run all the way at 65, but is it going to go all the way to 75? That's now, we're now buried in this. So we'll get one on there. 10555.3. It's bad practice to sell into a rising market, trying to get us out of a scalp. Right, at which point are the sellers tempted back in? That's the question. And if this can turn, oh, here we go. Might be a few more sellers coming in. Our average price 59.6. No, they've deserted us. Where are the sellers? Right, where's the market going with this? Where's the market going? It's possibly looking like it's turning there, possibly. Not anymore, it's not. So grinding higher. Our highest short on at 64. Another pip and a half, nearly 2 pips higher. This beginning to look like it's going all the way to 75. And 3 o'clock, so we're past 3. The market quite often has a good run after 3 o'clock. Now, is this the beginning of it? It's quite possible. And if it is, we need to be out of it. So 68, this looking like it's going to run all the way to 75, 78, which is where it's been earlier. We're in it wrong. We're a bit premature to get in, I suppose. Or perhaps we should have closed out there, which is really actually what we should have done. Right. So that's short on at 64, up at 68. It did plateau there before. We've already got 5 shorts on. I mean, it's just beginning to look like it's run out of steam. Well, we'll see if that's going to be true or not, because you can see it's come up, found a level, come up, found another level. It could well go again. And if it does, it will break 70s. Yeah, it's going up to 70s. And this is part of the business. You know, you don't get it right all the time. I've definitely got this wrong. It's a question now of how I engineer my way out of this. It could well run all the way up here to 75s, or 78 it made earlier, with another 10 pips. You know, it breaking 70s. If it's broken 70s, it's going to go all the way to 75s. What a wonderful scalp that was. And, you know, I missed every penny of it. Every bit of that I've missed. What an easy scalp. You know, straight up, look at it. My God, I've made hard work of that. And it's still going. Get one on there. Now, hopefully, well, that 10555.3, that looking highly optimistic now. 62, we'd be happy to take anything below 60s on it. In the 50s, it's up at 80. So what did we get that on at? 77.8. Right, is this where it turns, or is it going to run up some more? Pulling back. Let's get one on there. You know, is this where it pulled back? And look how far it is away from the trend line. Now, is it going to go up from there, or are we going to start pulling back? So our average price 64.5. We need a good 10 pips lower and we're out. But very bad scalping. This really isn't how you should be trading at all. Definitely making hard work of this. So pulling back from 105.80. The question is that all it's got? Or is it going to go? Is it going to go again, or is it going to fall off? Pulling back below the trend line here. Long way to go here to get below the trend line. People who got the shorts on at 80, very happy. Best part of 10 pips in the money now. Right, coming down into 60s. Where's it going? Well, I'm very tempted to think that this is all it's got before it goes up again. And to close out those two and put the profit in the bank. Yeah, look how the liquidity's come out of that. Anyway, we'll let this play out a bit. See, it's pulled back 10 pips off the top. Where's it going next? Well, here we go, dropping some more. Right, where are you going with this market? See, is it going to come back to the trend line and bounce off it? That's what a lot of people will be looking for. Where are the sellers? Sellers have run out of steam. See, sellers and buyers fighting it out now. Right, where are you going? Where are you going with this? And as you can see, it's come most of the way down to the trend line and then risen up from it. Now it's had that pullback. Are the sellers tempted to sell again? Where are you going with this? So we're about 5 pips out of the money. Sellers gradually stepping in. Right, where are we going? Coming back to the trend line. Now the question is it going to drop another few pips? Where is it going? It's looking like it should form up below this. I suppose it depends if there's buyers at 65. Right, which is where we are now. See, can it get through the buyers at 65 and grind lower? So we're about a pip out of the money, and we just need it to grind lower now. So coming close to break even. We really have made hard work of scalping this. We need it a few pips lower. Really, we need it in the high 50s. We shall get some of these perhaps back on side, or at least close to break even. No, lifting off 64. We just need some sellers to step in. Pulling back. Couple of pips. Just forming up below the trend line. Just need it to drop that next leg. Come on, where are you going with this? Where are you going? We just need it to drop the next leg into the low 60s and then the high 50s. There we go, buyers at 63, 62. We're only marginally in profit. We could do with about another 4 pips. Get it into the high 50s. And get it below the 60s into the high 50s. And I think we should take that. So in fact, we should change that to 58 if we can get it. It's grinding back down. It's found this level here, hasn't it? It needs to break this. We need it to break that. We're marginally in profit, not by much. We're just looking for the next couple of breaks lower. We need it to break 60 and get into the high 50s. So I'm getting into the low 60s now, gradually grinding lower. Where are you going with this? Where are you going? Are you going to grind lower yet? Well, we're getting to the stage, £7 offered there. We're getting to the stage where if we get offered a decent price, I think I'll take it. So 62.7. We just need the next leg lower. That's where we were a minute ago. Want the next leg lower into the 61s. Let's wait to see if it'll get offered. It's looking likely. Bang, there we go. Right, we'll take that. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe.